Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on seeing the serial number on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Choose About This Mac from the menu that appears. You can see info about your Mac here. At the bottom of the info, you can see your Mac's serial number. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.